Welcome to the Happiness Accelerator, Session 5. Today we will focus on doing good for others. There is nothing more that brings happiness than helping others. So today we will focus on doing just that. Please find a comfortable place where you will not be disturbed and allow your eyes to close. Feel the relaxation behind the darkness of your eyelids. Noticing your eyes and how they are calm. Allow any tension in your forehead to melt away. Noticing your jaw. Let any tension in the jaw unwind. Let your shoulders drop down, your muscles going loose and limp. Notice your arms resting heavily by your sides. Your hands are resting. They don't need to move at all right now. Feel your digestive system completely relaxed, effortlessly working for you. Notice your back is fully supported. All tension can melt away. I'm not sure whether your right leg or your left feel more relaxed. Perhaps they are both equally calm and have a nice balanced relaxation.